If you thought that the world of action cameras had reached their peak and wouldn't introduce any groundbreaking new features, GoPro is here to completely prove you wrong. The company has released its brand new flagship, the Mission 1 Pro. This isn't just another cosmetic 12th or 13th version, but a genuine attempt to fit the quality of a compact cinema camera into the familiar rugged body. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at what's changed, why there's so much buzz around the 1-inch sensor, and whether it's worth upgrading your old camera to this new model. And as usual, we'll start with the box and its contents. The packaging is stylish, made from sturdy, eco-friendly cardboard. On the front side, we're greeted by a large image of the action camera itself and, most importantly, bold labels: 1-inch sensor, 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, and an incredible slow motion mode. On the sides and the back, all the technical details are listed. Mention of 50 megapixels plus RAW photos, support for the 10-bit GP-Log2 profile, a built-in 5-hour battery, and waterproofing up to 20 meters without any additional cases. But let's open our box and see what's included in the package. And the package contents here are as follows. First of all, there's a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and fast data transfer. Secondly, there's a branded set of mounts. This includes a standard curved screw, a curved adhesive mount, a ZM mount for helmets or flat surfaces, as well as a special protective frame lens hood. And of course, obviously, the camera itself, and naturally a thick envelope with documentation and instructions. There are also 4 stickers included. Now let's talk about the camera itself and how to operate it. In addition to the 2 vibrant OLED screens on the body, an important part of the ecosystem remains the proprietary GoPro Quik app. You connect the camera to your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and you get a fully functional remote control. What can you change directly from the app? First of all, absolutely any shooting settings. You can switch the resolution between 8K and 4K and slow motion mode, set the bitrate, field of view, and color profiles. Secondly, with Quik, it's convenient to adjust exposure, white balance, change microphone settings, and activate 32-bit audio mode. And of course, thirdly, the app lets you view the camera feed in real time, start recording remotely, quickly edit videos, perform color correction, and upload raw footage directly to the cloud while the camera is charging. But if you look into the camera's own menu on the rear display, the sheer flexibility of the settings is overwhelming. Everything here is thought out down to the smallest detail. In the sub-modes, you can choose motion shooting for time lapses with perfect stabilization, or the stationary option, stationary. The aspect ratio can be easily switched between the classic 16:9 and the full-frame 4:3. In the time-lapse and hyperlapse settings, you can set a flexible speed from automatic auto to extreme acceleration from 2 times to 37 times. All of this is available in this camera. A special pleasure is the ability to select digital lenses right on the screen. Want maximum dynamics? Turn on the signature ultra-wide superview at 16mm. Need a versatile shot for vlogs and selfies? Switch to wide, that's 16 to 24mm. And if you plan to shoot landscapes or architecture without distortion, choose the linear mode, where the image is free from the fisheye effect. Here you can also activate horizon lock with a single click of the toggle. And for those who like to perfect their image manually, the image menu lets you adjust absolutely everything. Color depth of 8 or 10 bits, standard or high bitrate, HLG support, HDR, digital profiles, exposure compensation, white balance, ISO, sharpness and noise reduction algorithms. And now let's get to the main point, why this gadget is being called a breakthrough. Inside, it features a huge 1-inch sensor working in tandem with the next generation GP3 processor. But what does this mean in practice? At last, an action camera has learned to shoot properly in the dark and in low light without terrible digital noise. The camera records true 8K video at 60 frames per second and also supports the 8K open gate mode. This is when recording uses the entire sensor area, allowing us during editing to easily crop the same video into a vertical format for shorts or a horizontal one for YouTube without the slightest loss of quality. For fans of effective slow motion, this is a real playground. You can shoot 4K at 240 frames per second, which is 8 times slower, or go crazy with 1080p at what seems like 480 fps, achieving smooth 16 times slow motion for the most extreme moments. At the same time, the proprietary HyperSmooth stabilization, together with 360-degree horizon leveling, works flawlessly. No matter how much you twist or shake the camera, the horizon will stay perfectly level. But the sound deserves special attention. For the first time here, 32-bit float recording has been used. To clarify, with this audio format, it's almost impossible to clip or ruin the sound due to overload. If you suddenly shout directly into the microphone or, on the contrary, whisper in the wind, during editing, all of this can be brought up to a perfectly clean sound without distortion. But when it comes to battery life and the body, the updated Enduro 2 battery delivers up to 3 hours of operation in 4K and more than 5 hours in basic full HD. The body itself has become even more durable and now offers 3 mounting options at once, including the traditional folding fingers, a 1/4 inch thread, and a magnet. It can withstand submersion in water up to 20 meters. But to sum up, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is a powerful tool that erases the line between action cameras and professional video equipment. If you need maximum detail, flexibility in processing 8K footage, and perfect sound without extra hassle, this is the best choice on the market. Now, write in the comments what you think about the new product and whether you're ready to upgrade to a 1-inch sensor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss new reviews. See you in the next videos. Bye.